Mabuhay! Good morning everyone. My name is Crisel Marino Himarangan. I am a third year tourism student and today I'm gonna present my research study entitled The Perception of Tourism Management Student at Southern Leyte State University regarding environmental fee mismanagement and its impact. Okay, so let's start with the title, The Perception of Tourism Management Students at Southern Leyte State University regarding environmental fee mismanagement and its impact. So for the background, okay, so tourism is a major economic driver, particularly in region which is rich in natural and cultural resources like the Philippines. So environmental fee charges to tourists help fund conservation, infrastructure improvement, and community development projects. So however, the effectiveness of these fees depend on transparent and accountable management. So mismanagement of environmental fees has been a global concern as highlighted by Arubas et al. 2020. So who called for a shift from growth patriotism to be a strong sustainability approach that balances economic, social, and environmental goals. So education for sustainability is essential because students are future leaders in tourism management. For the statement of the problem, so this study wants to find out what tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University think about environmental fees being mismanaged and how that affect tourism in the area. So specifically, we want to answer these questions. How much do tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University know about environmental fees and what they're for? How do tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University think environmental fees are being mismanaged right now in Southern Leyte? Third is, what bad things do tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University think might happen if environmental fees are mismanaged, like damage to environment, loss of money, and harm to the community? And last is, what idea do tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University or SLSU have for making sure environmental fees are managed well and fairly so that tourism in Southern Leyte can be sustainable? So the problem here is the gap is we're gonna talk or we're gonna find out the level of awareness about the mismanagement or environmental fee in every tourism site or tourism destination. So the level of awareness of students at SLU, particularly or especially the tourism student. So next is the objectives of the study. So the main objective of the study is to examine the perception of tourism managing environmental mismanagement and its implication for sustainable tourism in the region. So specifically, it aims to determine the level of awareness among tourism management students at Southern Leyte State University regarding the existence and purpose of environment. Students at Southern Leyte State University perceive the current state of environmental fee management practices in Southern Leyte. Next is, we're gonna identify the perceived consequences of environmental fee mismanagement according to the tourism management student at SLSU, in terms of environmental degradation, economic losses, and community well-being. The last one is explore strategies suggested by tourism management student for ensuring the effective and equitable management of environmental fees to promote sustainable tourism in the Leyte, in Southern Leyte. Okay, for the significance of the study, so here are the list of the who will benefit in this study. So first is the tourism management student and educators. Second is the local government units, LGU, and the tourism authorities. The third one is the community holders. And also the business owners, especially the hotel owners, the resort, and etc. And also it helps for the future researcher. It serves as a reference for further investigation into environmental management practices and tourism, encouraging more in-depth studies on the socio-economic and ecological impacts of tourism-related fees and charges. For the scope and delimitation, this study examine the perception of tourism management student at Southern Leyte State University regarding environmental fee mismanagement and its impact. It particularly focuses on their understanding of the collection, allocation, and transparency of environmental fees and how perceived mismanagement affect local tourism, environmental conservation efforts, and community development. So the respondent of the study are the tourism management student enrolled at Southern Leyte State University during the data collected period. Delimitation. So the study is delimited to tourism management students at SLSU and does not include students from other departments or universities. So it further concentrates on their perception and excludes audit of or analysis of actual financial records related to environmental fees. So likewise, the study is limited to the perspective of students, excluding other stakeholders such as faculty, local government officials, or community members. So these boundaries were intentionally set by the researcher to align with the study objectives. For the definition of terms for better understanding of the study, so we have the perception, tourism management, environmental fee, mismanagement of environmental fees, sustainable tourism development, tourism management student, and SLSU and Southern Leyte. So for the reference, we have two reference for this. And for the review of related literature, we have environmental fees are used for conservation and sustainable development, and John's 2017. And according to John's 2017, and then student perception provide insight into industry trends, Garcia and Tan 2018 and Chin 2019. So financial mismanagement harms the environment and communities, according to Kim 2021 and David 2018. So effective fee management requires transparency and accountability, according to Lee 2020. So universities are encouraging sustainability through green fees. For the theoretical framework, so this study is built upon stakeholders theory and education for sustainability. To understand tourism management student perception of environmental fee mismanagement at Southern Leyte State University. So the stakeholder theory highlight that these students view for sustainable tourism in the region. Education for sustainability stresses that their knowledge and values regarding environmental responsibility are key. By examining this perception and the influence of AFS, this research aims to inform improvements in environmental fee management at SLCU, ultimately supporting sustainable tourism outcomes for Southern Leyte. So the study quantitative data will evaluate how will this theoretical concept explain the students' perception and the attitude. For the conceptual framework, so we have independent variables, which is the perceived aspects of environmental fee mismanagement, which is the perceived lack of transparency in fund collection and reporting, perceived ineffective allocation of funds, perceived inefficient accountability, perceived misuse of corruption and environmental fee. For the dependent variables, we have impact on tourism management student at SLCU. So we have attitude towards environmental conservation and sustainable tourism practices, trust in local tourism governance and implementing authorities, willingness to engage in environmental advocacy and community initiatives, perception of the destination long-term sustainability and future as a tourism hub. So for the moderating, so we have overall perception of environmental fee mismanagement. For the reference, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 reference. So thank you, that's all.